I'm on super wide, give you an idea of the room, right? I'm all done over here, except I'm going to put a sliding door that slides like this, or put a hinge. A piece of wood goes over here, and a molding over here. A molding that goes all the way up to the ceiling. I'm going to put a piece of wood here and behind here, so this way the pipe, is at least closed up. I don't care if this is open or that's open. More molding, but a third shelf. So I have 1, 2, the third shelf here. So I have to close this up. Take the shelf off, put the matching molding back there, and in the back, and close this area up. Figure out how to make a small shelf there and just box this in, make it narrow. Corner molding, and a molding going across. I'll leave it as is. On the floor, I'm not putting molding yet, but the molding's over there, and I'm going to finish this off when the machine is in, so this way this doesn't take any space away. I may cut it over here and leave molding there and leave that bare. Carpeting going to be from here all the way back. Well, this is my iPhone right here, and get it out of the way for you. But all the work is done except for the ceiling, which I'm going to come over here, put a drop ceiling as high as I can, get rid of the fluorescence, and put those round lights, one here and one here, and it'd be all white ceiling as you see back there. So I got my piping, which my camera's in right now. I got the walls up, all the electric's taken care of, and over here it's a brand new room ready to be made, just like that. Well, if you would have seen this without anything in it, you'd say, hey Fish, you did a nice job. So come back when I'm all done, when I get the machines that my buddy has that doesn't catch fire. Yeah, you'll like the machines I'm getting. So stay tuned. We'll catch you on many other videos to come. Project Laundry Room. Oh yeah, man. Not yet done.